can't wait to see the outcome of my first makeup.
Hi Josie fam, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well and I hope you are all staying safe fam. So if this is the first time you are clicking my video, hi, welcome. My name is Josie and this is my beauty channel. My channel is all about makeup tutorials, beauty and more. So if that is something you are interested in, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and join the Josie fam. So meet my beautiful model for today fam. Her name is Mabel, and as she said, this is her first time trying on makeup, and so I was super excited to try something that I feel matches with her personality, and so I decided to go for a sultry glam, which we both loved at the end of the video. So fam, let's get into this video. So I already groomed her brows and wiped her face to get rid of all the oils and the dirt on her skin, and I'm going in now with my Becca mattifying primer, and I'm using my Black Secret flat foundation brush to apply the primer. And I'm going in with some lip balm to moisturize her lips before I go in to work on the skin. And so fam, I am going to do a patch test to see if the foundation I am going to use will match her skin. So fam, the foundation I'm going to be using is this CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in Espresso, and I'm using the same Black Secret foundation brush to apply the foundation before I go in and blend. So fam, I'm going in now to blend the foundation I applied with my Colorbox Big Mama Beauty blender, which I already dampened. And so fam, I also realized that the foundation began to oxidize, and this can happen to anyone or it can happen unexpectedly, and so this is the first time I'm experiencing something like this with this particular foundation, and it could be as a result of the skin texture or the natural oils of the skin, and even how the foundation dries and mixes with oxygen on any particular skin type. Fam, it can also be as a result of the combination of the primer and the foundation on any particular skin, and so this foundation oxidized white, or it turned the face gray, and so I decided to leave it to fully oxidize, and I went in and applied and blended my Revolution concealer, and now I'm going to apply eyeshadow, and I'm going to use this Morphe Boss Mode palette. And fam, I applied some Sacha Buttercup underneath the eye to catch any fallout. I also took some on the lids to set the concealer I applied on there as my eyeshadow primer, and so I am going in with this dark brown shade, and this is going to be my transition shade, and I'm going to take that on the beginning of the eyebrow area. And fam, I'm going in with this black shade all over the eyelid, and fam, I'm going to work on one eye to see how the look turns out before I work on the other eye. And so I keep going in with this black shade just to make sure that the look is more intensified. And so I'm going to keep going in with this black matte shade and pack that shade on the eyelid. And now I am going in with a detailed brush from Colorbox Cosmetics, and I'm going to pick this red shade and apply it right on the socket area just to give the eye look a little bit more depth. So fam, at this moment, almost all the products I have on the face now are powders, including the eyeshadows. So I'm going to set it with some setting spray just to allow the powders to sit in and also to salvage this oxidized foundation situation. And so I'm going to leave that setting spray to do its magic whilst I work on the brows. So fam, I went in to fill the brows with a dark brown pencil, and I'm going in now to apply some concealer using my Colorbox Duo brush to define the brows. And now using a detailed brush from Colorbox, I'm going to use that red shade I used on the socket area right underneath the lash line. And now I'm going in with some mascara and some eyeliner, after which I'm going to apply the falsies. So fam, I went in with some matte lipsticks from NYX, a red and a dark purple. And now I am using my Fennel Black and Black loose powder to detail set the under eye area and the bridge of the nose. And I'm going in now with my Tammy X Makeup Revolution face palette in Golden Hour to contour the face, and this will also help to salvage the oxidized foundation situation. So fam, at this point everything seemed to be coming together nicely, and my model and I were happy that things were beginning to come together nicely. And so I'm going to also take some of that powder on the neck and also contour the nose. So I'm going to take the highlighter in the same palette and highlight the cupid's bow, the bridge of the nose, the brow bone area, as well as the inner tear duct area. So fam, if you have come this far in this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment down in the comment section below and let me know if this video is helpful in any way as a makeup artist or not. I want to know, have you ever come across an oxidized foundation situation? How do you go about it? Please leave a comment and let's get interactive in the comment section below. at this point I'm going in again with that satin spray from LA Girl, and I'm going to use my Girl Boss brow gel by Laura and Loretta to set the brow hairs. And so this is the final outcome of this look, and Mabel was so happy and so was I, and I love how this look turned out, fam. I also went in with some gloss on the lip. And so this is the beautiful before of my beautiful model Mabel, and this is the beautiful after, fam. I really hope you enjoyed watching. I really enjoyed creating this look, and it really matches her personality, a bold lip and a smoky eye look, and I really loved creating this look, fam. So that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and join the Josie fam. And so until I see you in my next video, fam, stay safe and never give up. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Mwah. Bye, fam.